Today, we are looking at how to pronounce the Japanese automaker Toyota in Chinese. 丰田丰田丰田 In simplified Chinese, Toyota is written as, and its pinyin, officially the Chinese phonetic alphabet, is Feng Tian, with a first tone on Feng and a second tone on Tian. When you say Feng Tian, be sure to hit the high-level first tone on the Feng and the rising second tone on Tian. Don't let it slip into Feng Tian or Feng Tian. Feng, 3 horizontal strokes plus 1 vertical, evoking stacked green, meaning bountiful, abundant, or plentiful. Tian, a cross within a square, symbolizing farmland or a field. These characters come from the Japanese kanji Toyota, the founding family's surname, literally bountiful rice paddies. In 1936, Kiichiro Toyoda changed the company name from Toyota to Toyota to simplify pronunciation and presentation. And because Toyota is written with 8 strokes, an auspicious number in Japanese culture. In Japanese, 8, hachi, echoes hatsu, to produce or develop, symbolizing growth and wealth. Coincidentally, in Chinese, the digit 8, 八, is a homophone of fa, to prosper or to make a fortune, making it the luckiest number for wealth. And that's how you nail the Chinese name for Toyota, Feng Tian. If you enjoyed this quick pit spot, smash that like button, subscribe to HOOSH, and tell us in the comments which brand or model we should tackle next. Keep shifting gears in your journey.